My name is Jeremiah Dooley, and we're here at VMware Partner Exchange 2015. I'm here with Dave Wright, the CEO of Solidfire, and we were talking a little bit about the VMware story and how Solidfire in particular is helping VMware admins and VMware shops better use, better orchestrate, better optimize the storage that they're using. Tell us a little bit about some of the things that Solidfire is doing specifically with VMware.
Yeah, Solidfire is a great fit into a VMware infrastructure. The scalability of the solution, the quality of service, the automation really makes storage completely simple for VMware environments. And in particular, over the last year, we've invested very heavily in our VMware integration and in our VMware plugin capabilities to simplify the management of storage and make it so that it's all possible to be managed directly through the vCenter console. And in particular, we've done a very deep integration with storage I/O control for quality of service.
Right. Yeah, and the quality of service, being able to extend the VM-based quality of service, how much performance are we going to be able to give and how are we going to protect individual VMs from one another, and then be able to tie that right directly back to the storage array itself, and the features that Solidfire is bringing there has been pretty exciting. For many customers, they've seen it as a way to get some of the QoS benefits that vVols will give us going forward before before the vVols product is ready to be consumed yet. On the SIOC side, is that a sign of the type of integration that can happen from a Solidfire standpoint because of the architecture, or is that an example of how that API gets exposed?
Yeah, it really is both of those things. You really can't do the type of quality of service that Solidfire does without an architecture that was built from the ground up to deliver guaranteed performance to individual applications across a wide range of performance needs. And again, VMware does such a great job of isolating workloads from each other on the hypervisor. You really need that type of technology on storage to prevent storage from becoming a bottleneck, a noisy neighbor kind of headache. And Solidfire's quality of service integration with SIOC really enables that on a per VM basis.
And one of the interesting things, being able to provision out the QoS and the I/O separate from the capacity is something that is relatively new and unique on the storage side, but it's something we've been doing for a long time on the VMware side, being able to provision out CPU and RAM separately. So for many of the VMware administrators that I'm talking to, it's a really natural fit into the operations process, into what their day-to-day is, because not having to over-allocate, not having to overbuild in order to get to one of the types of capacity that they need has proven to be a much more efficient way of consuming the platform itself.
Yeah, absolutely. The ability to manage storage the same way you manage the rest of the environment, it just makes everybody's life that much simpler.
Well, that's all for us here from the floor. Join us next time. We're here at VMware Partner Exchange 2015, and we'll see you next time.